Trasy Enterprises offers advanced hot melt coating machines with slot die technology. Designed for manufacturing high-quality adhesive bandages, including elastic adhesive bandages. The slot die coating system ensures uniform adhesive application, precise GSM control, and minimal material wastage, resulting in consistent bonding strength and superior product performance. Adhesive elastic bandages produced on Trasy machines are stretchable, breathable, and skin-friendly, making them suitable for medical support and compression applications. Such bandages are widely used for controlling swelling, edema, managing sprains, strains, and sports injuries, and supporting post-surgical recovery. Additionally, these bandages are effective for securing heavy dressings and medical devices in place. With robust construction, reliable heating control, and high-precision slot die coating, Trasy Enterprises machines enable manufacturers to produce medical-grade adhesive bandages with consistent quality and high productivity.